Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add animated or animation in Wix Studio. So for you to add animation in Wix Studio, let's say we probably import a media Wix Studio. Like here now, I want to add media. You can see this is media. Just click on it. Then if you have available media, you have media on your PC that you want to use. Maybe you are trying to create a website for a brand. If you are creating a website for a brand, definitely going to need a media project to create a website, to make it more attractive and more eye-catching for viewers and people that be accessing the website. So for you to do that, for you to import media, just use this tools right here beside the left corner of the screen. See, these are the tools and using the editors mode for you to make your website more engaging. So once you import your media, so I'm going to use this particular media as an example. Actually, this is the template. So pick this, and this media is part of the template I picked from the just to brand this website to make it more natural and more similar to what I want. So I'm going to use this image as an example. This particular media I'm going to use as an example. Now, if you want to add animations to something like this in Wix Studio, just drag your mouse and double click on that particular media. Once you double click on it, an option is going to pop up. There you can change the image. You want to change this particular image, or maybe that image you feel like you don't want to use this, you want to use something else. Maybe that image fits to the right aspect you want it to fill in. You can easily change it. Or if you want to resize, just click on this. Just use this little dot right beside the corner or the edge of the image. You can use to resize to something like a shapeable size of your choice. After that, then come here. So we come here, click on this icon which is animated. You click on it, and right here you can switch in between. So you can switch, or you can try and walk around the type of animation for your website. Imagine just scrolling and not find something like this, like the media just flint in, expand. I think this expand mode would be okay for the work. And here you can also customize it. You can see these are entrance. You can change this. You can change this from feed. You can change this to loop, or you can change this to scroll. You can see. Click like this now, something like this. Then right here, you can just move in between them and see the one that works best for you. And if you want to customize it, it's still customizable. Just click on customize. Then right here, you can set the distance level for the pixel. You can make it like 300 pixel. Okay. That isn't going to work using keyboard. So for you to increase the pixel, just use this. This drag button to increase the pixel, or to increase or improve it. And also you can set the animation type right here. Want the animation type to be in or out, or I think for this kind of website, continuous will be a better option. Continuous animation will be a better option for you. You're trying to look at to work. Then you can start from outside the screen. You can decide to make it to start from outside the screen and others. Depends on your choice and how you want it to. How the kind of website you're creating for your brand or for your client, and depends on how creative you are. So that is how to add animation. If you find it helpful, like and follow. Thank you.